Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'd like to show you all how you can create a web app using Replit's Replit Agent. So currently I'm logged in with my paid account, the Replit Teams account. So that's the subscription plan that I have for my small business. And in my last video, I logged in using the Replit Starter account or the free account, and I showed you guys around the interface. I'll put the link above if you didn't watch that video yet. So in the Starter or the free account, obviously we don't have access to the Replit Agent. That's why we've got this bright orange button here to remind us. So I'll just log back into my Replit Teams account where I have access to the Replit Agent. Okay, so when you're on the or in the home page, okay, this is the first thing that you will see, create with the Replit Agent. So I can go on and enter my prompt here to start building my app, or I can go to repos on the left hand side. I'll have a list of all my repos here, and then I can create, or I can click on create to create a repo. As I showed you guys in the last video, we've got three options. I can create using the Replit Agent, I can choose from a template, or I can import from GitHub. So today's video, I'll show you how we can create a web app, specifically a website for this example, using the Replit Agent. So I can start to type my prompt now. So I can have a simple prompt like generate a simple website for my data analytics consulting business. Okay, as simple as that. Replit also has given us the option to improve our prompt. So if I say improve prompt, okay, it gives us sort of more details, more context about the website. So the Replit Agent has more information to work with. Okay, so let's see. Professional web-based landing page for a data analytics consulting business. The website should clearly communicate the business services and expertise in data analytics, etc., showing the style, clean and modern design with data inspired. Okay, so this is all good. I can either go with that, but like I've built with the help of the Replit Agent, I did a couple of reports already, and now I prefer to use the help of ChatGPT. So that's what I'll do in this video. So usually if I don't go directly to Replit to enter my prompt here, I always like to improve my prompt in ChatGPT before bringing it in. So I've got a prompt here which I wrote out, and then I asked ChatGPT to improve and provide more details to this prompt so that I can then provide it to Replit. So basically my simple prompt was, you're an expert web developer. I need a simple one landing page website for my data analytics consulting business. I want a simple design like this website. So I've given it an example website design that I want. Okay, I don't want anything fancy for my website. As you guys can see, this is my first website that I built with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so very simple, but you know, for me, it just gets the job done because I'm not a web developer, right? It's quite functional. I mean, it works for me, but moving forward, I'd like to have something more modern, you know? So I looked at this website and I quite like the design. It's just simple, you know, nothing fancy. So that's the type of design I want. So that's why in my prompt I included, I want a simple design like this website, given this example website, but I'm saying use information from my existing website. Okay, so this is my prompt, and then I went on to say, can you improve this prompt so I can give it to Replit, please? Okay, so ChatGPT has improved the prompt. It has given me a project description, so then the Replit Agent's got some details to work with, and then it went into some detailed information here. Okay, so this is the information that I will provide to the Replit Agent. So let me just copy all that over. Or actually, let me just start from the project description. Okay, I'm just going to copy all that, and we'll go over again to Replit. I'm going to delete all the improved prompt that the Replit Agent gave me, and I will paste in my own prompt. Okay, so this is the process that I follow. I usually like to improve my prompts in ChatGPT first and then bring it over to Replit or whichever AI ID tool that I'm using. So let's see what the Replit agent is able to build for us. And I'm going to click Start Building. Okay, so it's thinking and considering options. I think I give it a lot of information. So let's see how it's going to manage all that. Okay, so absolutely, let me propose what we'll build for you. So what happens is that whatever prompt that you give it, it's going to give you an initial prototype. Okay, so I'll help you create a professional landing page inspired by, okay, it's going into the details again of what I specified in the prompt. Okay, so usually it starts off with the build initial prototype, and then it also prompts us to say there's some additional features that we'd like to include or not. For now, if I want to include those other features, I'll just go in and check the boxes here, but that's not what I'll do. I'll just leave the build the initial prototype checked, and I'll say approve, plan, and start. So I just approve the plan and started. Now you see the Replit agent has gone on to, or will now start to generate the code for that application. So let's see what it's gonna come up with. Okay. Now I took a screenshot. What's that? There's some errors, but you'll see that it's going to go on and correct the errors itself. I noticed there's an error in the footer component regarding the Twitter icon import. Let me fix that and verify the landing page. Okay, so the thing is, once it has identified an error, it's going to fix the error itself. So that's quite cool. So let's see. So the error is fixed, and it's starting to, okay, transform your data into business intelligence. Okay, I will change the title there. I didn't include the color theme, so that's what I'm going to modify later on. So you see, less than what was it, 3 minutes? I didn't track the time. I think it was less than 3 minutes. It generated this simple website for me, just a one-pager. So let me see, if I click on getting started, it goes directly to the contact page. If not, they can just scroll down. This is not the information that's in my original website here. It sort of made it up because I didn't have a section where, yeah, these are the services that I provide, but it didn't really, sorry. Yeah, it sort of made things up here. Machine learning, that's not what I had in my original one, but that's fine. Why choose us? Okay, these are made up statistics there, generated by the Replit agent, but that's fine. The main structure of the web page is done. So let's see, once it's completed working on the app, it's going to pause. As you can see on the left hand side, it says paused and agent is waiting for your response. Okay, so is the landing page displaying correctly with all the sections? If everything looks good, I can start working on a new feature. So each time it completes a step, it's going to ask us to review, confirm, and then it always proposes some additional features that it thinks it's good to add. But for now, I will not go for any additional feature. I want to make sure that my basic requirements, the requirements that I gave it, work. If I want to change the color, for example, I'll just type in here, change the font color to dark purple, please. Okay, so change the font color to dark purple, please. I mean, I could have given it the color code to be more precise, but that's fine. I'll do that later, just to show you how you can, it's like a back and forth prompting between you and the Replit agent up until you get the app that you want. Okay, yeah, purple, okay, that's fine. I'll correct that after. So is the website now displaying the dark purple color scheme for the primary elements like heading buttons? Yeah, that's all right. That's okay for now. Okay, so that's all done. The next feature that I'd like to show you guys is this little icon here, and that's for the screen size. So if I just maximize my web view, okay, so as you can see, the app is running. Okay, it's running, and I can show the web view. I mean, it's in progress, that's why I can see it, but the web view as well shows the app, how it's going to look on the web. So I'm just going to go over to this little icon here, screen size. When you click on it, that's one of the new features that just came out. So you can basically see the different, or how it's going to look on different devices. Okay, next I'd like to show you the dev URL. So although I'm still in dev mode, still developing, I haven't deployed it yet, I still have access to what they call the dev URL. So basically this URL here is accessible when I'm logged into the workspace. Okay, so for example, if I'm working on the project now and I'd like to send this link to my technical assistant, because I've got a recent IT graduate working for me. She's my niece actually. She just graduated and she's working for me part-time. So for example, if I'm working on the website, or if she's working on the website or on a project, and she wants to just show me the work that she's done, well, she can send me the dev URL. Okay, so this link is accessible. It's just like the website is, or the web app is deployed, but it's this temporary link that we can sort of send to our team members to check out the app. Okay, so this is the dev URL. Okay, so one more thing, as you can see, the agent is currently paused and is waiting for our response. So if I'm done for any modifications for today, I will have to notify the agent to say that you can commit the changes for now. So I'll say, please, changes for now. So it's recommended not to leave the agent just hanging like that. Okay, you have to properly end the agent or commit the final changes. Okay, so one thing it's going to do is it's going to check in all the modifications that's been done. It's like doing a git commit on GitHub. We just pushed all the modifications that were done. Now it's asking me again, is the landing page displayed correctly? Okay, maybe there's some changes that still needs to be done, but I just need to finish up for today. So I'll just say okay, so yeah, sometimes I just say, you know, it's all good for now, just save and close, so the agent can gracefully sort of commit all the changes and then shut down. So this is what it has done. When it's done, it also asks us if we want to deploy. We won't do that for now. I'll do that in another video. So the initial prototype has been built, and then the green we get a green message down here to say the plan completed. Okay, let's give some good feedback so it helps to improve the model, and we're done for now in terms of working with the Replit agent. So there you go. That was developing a web app using the Replit agent, and in the next video I'm going to show you all how you can deploy to the web, how you can easily deploy your web app to the web right on the Replit agent, right on the Replit platform. Well, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.